Today we will check out another extremely useful tool for your programming repertoire in C++ for Unreal Engine. Lambdas. A lambda in C++ is basically a function without a name that can be executed or passed as a variable without the need to create a named function for it. Therefore, they are very useful when you want to use a function only in one place. But how do we define a lambda? A lambda consists of 4 parts. First, we have the capture clause. Here you can capture variables from the surrounding scope of your lambda. That means, for example, if I have a variable x outside the lambda, I can access it from within the lambda by adding it to the capture clause. However, like this, it will get captured as a copy for the lambda. By adding the and sign, it will be captured by reference. What you can also do is either writing the equal sign inside the capture clause, which will capture all the variables from the surrounding scope by value. Or you can just write the and sign, which will capture all values from the surrounding scope by reference. After this, we have the parameter list, which works in the same way as for normal functions. Next, you can define the return type of your lambda. For that, you can write the arrow operator and then the return type. However, this is something you don't have to write, since the return type can also be automatically detected by what you will put inside your function body for the lambda. So let's look at an example. Here we create a timer that gets repeatedly triggered after 1 second. For that, we set up a lambda that logs a value from outside the lambda. And as you can see, every second we print the value again and again. This should show you that lambdas can be very useful when handling callbacks. And in the future we will come across various different use cases for lambdas similar to the timer example. Additionally, you can also access values from the surrounding scope, which makes them very flexible. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, see you next time.